Well, I'm in my craft room trying to make some room and clean it a little bit. And I could barely use my Cameo 3. My Cameo 4 was turned sideways with stuff piled all over the table. So I did get that cleared off. And I kept making trips to the kitchen with stuff. So that towel and that pot goes to the kitchen. And I'm just going to lay them there, and I'm not making any more trips and stopping. I'm going to lay them all right there and take it all at once if I find more stuff that needs to go in another room. But I did a little organizing, like put all my candle stuff and bulbs and things like that there. And then that's the candles, like the plastic ones that I do up with the wax and the cinnamon. I did straighten that up. I've got to quit thrift shopping because I bring stuff in with good intentions and I don't get it done. And I've got a box sitting in the guest bedroom that is piled with stuff to do. And I'm going to go this way real slow because there's not much I can do with that there. I mean, it is what it is. But now I'm working on this. It's just piled. And I did get this much of it cleaned off, but I've got all the rest to figure out what to do with. I got a box back there. That box right there is full of stuff to do, or things I want to use to do something with. And I can't find anything. So I've got to clean this area off. And then here's my computer desk. Yeah. I can't even get to it. So something has to be done. I've got to stop crafting and do this. Well, I've been in the garden. I had to get my garden in. I got the last of the garden in, I think, yesterday. So I'm going to keep working on this and see, maybe I can get that cleaned enough to where I can crawl over there and clean that window. I can hardly reach it. Alright, I'm going to continue on with this mess here and let's see how far I get. I know you can't tell, but it is getting better. You can't tell the window's been washed because of the glare, but I got everything pulled out, swept and mopped back there. I got most of this table cleared, got a lot of my desk cleared, and when a lot of that stuff gets put back where it goes, it'll look better. So it's somewhat getting where I want it. Well, I got it finished. I'm backing out towards the door. I'm standing in the doorway. Ignore that stuff there. That goes to the kitchen. But I'm going to show you what all I've done. I took all the stuff off of here, and I've grouped things the way I want them. Like up here I did take these kind of candles that I do up. I have, and lights and stuff. I have those in there. And I couldn't see this stuff when I wanted to use little knickknacks from the Dollar Tree. Because I had, let me turn around, those piled on it. So I just took some of those. I didn't want to do anything to put any nails or anything in the hutch because that's old. And I didn't want to put any nails in it. So I just put some of the, what are they? Well, you know, the hook things that you pull with and it comes off easy. And I just put those on there to get them out of my way. It's the only free spot I had. I didn't organize anything in here. I'll probably do that sometime. But I know where everything's at. And if I organize it too much, I won't be able to find anything. And I have my desk cleaned off to where I can get to it now. And then I did have Oh, my window, of course, I showed you that. It's clean. And I have that table was piled. I mean piled. Now I have it. If I don't want to work on this little thing here I can pull that out away from there, because underneath it was right there. I still have stuff under there, but I can get there. This right here. And that top drawer I get into a lot. It has my Rusty Stars. I mean, all my little knick-knacky things that I use is in that. And I put in that basket is all my projects that I'm working on right now. I need to keep them grouped together. And then right there, that tote, that's full of my material that I'm always getting into. And now I have both of my cameos where I can use one or the other. I tend to go for my 3 because I like it better. And I didn't touch any of that because it is what it is. That's all I can say. But now I can work on that table and probably get more sunshine. And I can work on my desk until I do a project. And I'll bet it'll be right back the way it was, just about. I'm going to do my very best not to pile anything on that table. Very best. We'll see. Okay, I know you can't hardly, get a good view, but I'm going to back this way, and at least it's not extremely messy like it was. And I have a lot of stuff, but I know there's a lot of things I want and I need, but I better not bring anything else in here. I better use up what I got. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of me doing over my craft room. I didn't actually show you doing it, but tried to come in and show you where I was at, and now the end of it. So until the next one, we'll see you later.